Hello
Start.
friends, today's topic is electric dipole in uniform electric field. Electric dipole, what happens on electric dipole when it is placed in uniform electric field? Uniform electric field exists due to the test charge, it is positive charge, and when a dipole is placed in this uniform electric field, then the positive end repelled and a negative end of that dipole attracts towards the charge. Therefore, there is a angular momentum over that dipole. I will show you the diagram and determine the electric field intensity over dipole due to uniform electric field. These are the lines of uniform electric field, and a dipole is placed in this uniform electric field like that. As there is positive charge due to this field exists, so the positive end repelled and the negative end attract, and the dipole seems like that. So we have to draw a line like that, and this is negative Q, this is positive Q, this is a dipole, and its center. Length of the dipole is 2a, and force experienced by that dipole in this direction, electric field intensity, is equal to QE. Force experienced, F is equal to QE, and in this direction F is also equal to QE. Now we have to determine how much amount of torque develop over this dipole. Why torque? As it is in angular momentum, so a torque is developed, and we know that tau is equal to F cross R, perpendicular distance. F cross R, perpendicular distance. This perpendicular distance can be determined by this, which is suppose this is A, this is B, this is K. So we have F cross, how much amount is the value of that perpendicular distance? It is A B sine theta. And what is the value of AB? Distance AB is equal to 2A. So it is F cross 2A sine theta. And F is equal to, we have already QE. QE 2A sine theta. We have already discussed that P and electric dipole moment P is equal to 2A into Q. So this 2A and Q becomes P E sine theta. This P is also a vector quantity, E is also a vector quantity. So it can be written as P cross E. Hence, we get the value of torque. We get the value of torque applied over that dipole, which is equal to P cross E. And from this equation, we can get the value of electric field intensity. That's it.